Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Life, and I am here with, I believe, entry number 12. Now, I was told this is an entry, but I've got the camera zoomed in, but if you could see how packed this box is, you would wonder just like I did. I had my daughter, my 14-year-old daughter, open it just to make sure because there was so much stuff in here. I am not going to be able to pull all this out on my little recording desk. So I'm letting you know now, this may be emotional. Number one, because I can never tell with this person. And number two, my daughter was just like oohing and awing over everything. So I have no idea what's about to be pulled out of here. But this entry comes from Mel. My sweet, sweet Mel. She is here on YouTube as Everything Marmie. And if you don't know her, if you are interested in somebody with a heart of gold, if you are interested in somebody who just loves to give back to the world, or somebody who loves to bless others or touch humanity in a way that most people just don't anymore. And on top of that, she's so intelligent. You need to check her out. Not because of what she can give, not because of what she can do, but because who she is, truly who she is. If you've been touched by Mel, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you don't know her, give her a minute or two of your time. I'm telling you, I fell in love with her instantly, and you will too. Now, with that being said, her link will be left in the description box below. I had my daughter open this package because I wasn't sure with so much items in it, so I've been messaging with Mel back and forth. And like I said, I'm warning you, I don't know if this could get emotional. I don't know if this could take a really long time, which according to this box, it's going to take a while. So that's your warning. Be forewarned. So I'm just going to start kind of just laying things out. I have not seen anything. I've gotten a little sneak peek here and there, but I have not looked at it. I have not seen it. And so I'm just, yes ma'am. Yeah, I think she's figured out that I love blue. I think all of y'all have figured that one out at this point. Girl, I need these. I have been walking around. It has been driving me crazy because I do not like walking around on hardwood floors. Now that I have hardwood floors, I've been walking around in flip-flops constantly. But I can't stand wearing them because they're my everyday flip-flops. Now I've got me some house shoe flip-flops. Thank you. I need those. And I don't even know why I'm telling you that. I don't know how you knew. You always know. Look at that gorgeousness. Y'all, I'm telling you, I'm going to have to pull some out. Look at it. Oh, yes. I've seen her haul some of this. I was wanting some of these mirror mosaic stickers. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting these so bad. She gets some of the best stuff from Dollar Tree and Dollarama. Yeah, I heard my daughter say, I'm stealing that. I guarantee you that's what she's stealing. Even though I keep my hair up in a bun or a ponytail all the time. Cute. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Okay, I gotta go faster than this. What the? Hold on. Girl! I feel like there's stuff in it. Oh my. Houndstooth. Oh, I'm feeling something soft. I'm not looking. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's taking my breath away. I love me some freaking houndstooth, y'all. Oh my gosh. I don't even. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous ribbon. I don't even know what this. Girl. Mail. You told me this was an entry. This is not just an entry. Look at these flowers. A birdie's wish. I'm trying not to get emotional. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm okay. Okay. And she's got a whole huge bag in here, y'all. Okay. Before I move to the bag, excuse me, I'm going to take a sip. This is only a little bit, y'all. I'm not even going to, like I said, I'm not even going to ask how you know, because I know you know. And we've discussed this. But I am a jewelry person. I don't mention it. Y'all have not seen my jewelry because my nails and my hands have not been done. So I have not put on my glorious bling. But y'all going to start seeing it soon. My hands are getting better. Do you see how gorgeous this is? And I'm so sorry about the lighting. It's late at night. But one thing is that I love long necklaces. And if they're layered, even better. Do y'all see the detail in this necklace? It is so pretty. Thank you, sweetheart. I will wear that and I will cherish that. I've got so much jewelry to share with y'all. This beautiful, beautiful houndstooth scarf. I don't even know where to begin with it. I'm not your everyday scarf wearer. But I do, during the winter, wear scarves around my neck. And I have a leather jacket that I put a scarf around and keep it around for when nights get really cold and we go out. And this is going to be my permanent one until I wear it out. My mail, it's gorgeous, sweetheart. My gosh, I just don't even know what to say. The way you read people, honey. I know that feeling because you called it. I do the same thing, and that is some gorgeous ribbon. I do the same thing, but you have, yours is, you believe in your instincts a lot more than I do. And I showed y'all the scrunchie. My daughter's already claimed, I'm sure. And then these, y'all. I got to move on. I apologize. And I'm going to look at them a second. I hope y'all can see them. But if not, give me a minute and I will make sure that you can. These are so stinking gorgeous. And definitely right up my alley. Do I need to open them or can y'all see them? Let's see. Let's open them real quick because I know plastic sometimes can interfere. Look at that. You see all that gorgeousness. And we're not even nowhere near her entry. So, like I said, this could take a while. But this is what I mean by mail. If you have not subscribed to her channel and you have not gotten to know her a little bit, this is the kind of person she is. She is not just 100%. She's 1,010% giver. Now, that does not mean she's going to do handouts left and right. But she has a gift of reading people and know who needs what, when they need it, in a way that not everybody does. But the biggest key is, like I said earlier, it's not that she just knows, because I have that ability to read too. It's that she's grown to trust her own feelings and her own instincts. And she's right. She's been right many, many times, I'm telling you. Y'all see that? These are gorgeous, sweetheart. And, of course, y'all seen the little flowers. Love those. And more stuff. This come from your Dollar Tree, right? I think the rest of it is. Actually, I'm not sure about this. Yeah, I couldn't tell you. Puffy sentiment stickers. I had mentioned to her that I needed sentiments. And I don't have words. And here we go. We got hooray, cake, party, celebrate, smile, birthday presents, happy, surprise, and candles. I want to say I saw her haul that. I know I saw a few of these. And then these, and I think the rest of these are from Dollar Tree. I know I've seen something like that at Dollar Tree. And I'm not sure if that was at hers. But it looks like it. Yeah, it's Crafter Square. And she knows I love paper flowers. Love them. It's the Christmas blue snowflake bling. Gorgeous. And then, of course, the blue bling one slipped. But no biggie. Got that. Oh, that is, I mean, come on. Isn't that gorgeous, y'all? And then this. I did see her haul some mirror tiles. And I can't remember if it was blue. I don't think the one I saw was blue. Maybe this was one of the ones she wasn't wanting to share. I can't remember at this point. But I saw her haul those and I thought, oh my gosh. I have been wanting some mirror tiles for a long time. And then, look, blessing, blessing, blessing. That's what mail is. And, of course, you cannot go wrong with the pearl beads. And she's got them in some of my favorite colors. Of course, the navy blue or the royal, depending on how you look at it. And then this light mint bluish green color. Oh, love it. And this chipboard box is obviously chipboard carton. Tim Coffee. Let's see. That's by, oh my goodness. This is when I need it. K & Company. 2 complete alphabet, double-sided, yeah. I'm not going to start trying to read foreign language that I do not know. Look at that bee. Isn't that pretty? I love this box. I don't know how I'm going to reuse it, but I'm reusing it. Is that not so cute? I'm sorry. Maybe I've got it too close. Is it focusing? I think my lighting is bad, y'all. If I have to... Wonder if I set it down. I don't know what's going on with my lighting lately. Okay, I'm going to move on because I've still got a bag to go through, and I have no idea what time. I freaking love this bag. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, I love it. Y'all, she does some things where her charities and stuff that she programs and stuff that she does. She hauls a lot of bags and purses and wallets and stuff. Y'all got to check her out. Oh. See, how did you know I was into jewelry? I don't remember saying that or mentioning that. Oh my gosh. And I am such a rattle bracelet person. I could go grab my Alabama one right now because I wear it every Saturday with my son's Alabama necklace. Oh my gosh, y'all. Do y'all see how gorgeous that is? I'm so afraid that my lighting is not working. And I'm going to have to redo this video. Let me see if I can get y'all closer. Maybe if I don't have you in so much white light. I apologize for the moving of the camera. Y'all know I don't usually do that. I just want y'all to get the beauty of this. And I'm just not sure. Oh, sorry about the shaking. I was trying to be careful. And I'm just not sure that because of my lighting, y'all can actually pick any of this up. Okay, actually, you know what I'm going to do? Because I know this is getting a little long, I'm going to pause. And I'm going to show you the bag. Now, I'm going to zoom you back up. Do y'all see this huge bag? I don't even know if I can even get it all in camera. Number one, it's a good thing our rivalry team is Tigers, but it's a good thing I'm not that kind of girl. Look, I love beautiful tigers. Alright, I'm going to scoot my chair out. Excuse the shaking, y'all. I apologize. I'm just trying to get to where y'all can see what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, that tiger is gorgeous. Actually, I might do something with that for my son and his girlfriend. Alright, I'm going to pause here so that y'all can see. And then I'm going to resume tomorrow just so I can have better lighting. Because I just don't feel like y'all are getting everything the way it should be. Do you know what I'm saying?